Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. My name's Niki and this is Niki the Art. Right, hope you're all well. I'll show you my colours. This is Pearlex Pink Gold pigment. One of my favourite colours. This is absolutely gorgeous. And this is this little piggy, TLP in Pinwheel. Sort of a pinky blue shift to it. Purpley pinky colour. This is Brilliant Magenta by I think it's Atelier. I'll have to double check and put it in the description box. This is Amsterdam Cyan, Golden Cobalt Teal, and TLP in Ore, this little piggy. That's also a pigment. And my oh no, it's not, sorry, it's not, that's my CA. It's Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold, and I'm also using Amsterdam Paynes Grey, so 2 CAs. And my canvas is a 12 by 16 inch, and as you can see, I'm pouring over. I was just messing around using my catalyst wedge. This is only a cheap canvas that I was just practicing on, and I didn't like the outcome, so I just thought, well, I'll have a go at pouring over it. So I'm blowing it out like a bloom, but I didn't particularly want it to look like a bloom as it was on a rectangle canvas, so just sort of tried to make the edges look a little bit different. So yeah, so I'm using my hairdryer, and the details for that will be in the description box below too. Everything's there, all the colours, the link to the Sheleeart E-Course, and discount code, 15% discount code. Everything's in the description box, so click on the video title and it will take you straight there. And yeah, I'll let you watch and come back to you later.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do, not this time. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. Hate it when you call me up. Call me up to tell me you're not coming tonight. Hate it when you cut me off, when I'm trying to tell you that it doesn't feel right. If I know one thing, one thing, one thing, one thing, I know your loving ain't fair. You don't know loving, 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 loving. You don't know how to be there. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. like you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way.
Away in the night, well, sometimes it just feels right. Possessed by the moonlight, well, sometimes you let it in, sometimes you'll get it. Don't wait for the sun, don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me, just dance and believe in it. Don't cross the line, let the temperature rise now. Here in the moonlight, don't wait for the sun, don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me, just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, come on, let's get it on. Let me show you how. Assume I'm right. Sometimes just let it, sometimes just let it. Don't wait for the sun, don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me, just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, come on, let's get it on. Let me
like the details in this, or some of the details. It's pretty, especially that part. I love that part. So it's a real ultra modified bloom. As I say, being on a rectangle, it wouldn't have looked right, just your traditional bloom. So that's why I sort of stretched it out and made it look a little bit different. So I hope you like it, guys. If you do, please hit the like button and share it, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And everybody take care, stay safe, and thank you again for being here. See you soon, guys. Bye.